Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to rig this character. I'm going to rig this character in Blender. So first you have to go in edit. First you have to go in edit preferences and then goes to add-on and search for riggify. Riggify module and turn on this riggify add-on. And after that you have to press Control Shift A and go to amateur and then riggify metrics basic and click on basic human. So we have something like this. Just scale it to fit our object model. Now select this bone, go to the object data properties and then go to the view display and turn on in front so that we can view the bone. And now go in go select this bone, go in edit mode, turn on this mirror, X mirror, and just align the bone with our model like this. Here also we can align the bone with our models. Okay, so aligning is done right now. See from this angle also. So align it properly with our reference, with our model. Okay. So yes, our alignment is done right now. Now what we have to do is, see here is a problem. See the alignment is done with our model. Now select all this bone, press A and press Control A, Shift, wait, press this bone, go in object mode and press Control A and select all transforms. Now this is done. Again go in edit mode. See this bone is not aligned properly. Okay, now press A, go in object mode, press Shift Control A and click on all transformers. Okay, now what we have to do is select our bones, go in object data properties, and here below there is one option called generate rig. We have to click generate rig. So our rig is created now. Now select our mesh, then select this rig, and we have to press Control P, and here we have to select with automatic weights. It will take some time. Okay, done. Now select this bone and hide it. And now select our character is, go in pose mode and now see our character is rigged right now. See, we can create any pose. Like this, we can rig a character very easily in Blender. Okay, that's it. That's from this we can rig any character in Blender. So that's it, friend. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for uh, more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.